Yes, yes. I don't wish that on anybody, but anyway, I'm back and I'm pleased to be back. It's awesome. And this month is all about lead generation, retaining and securing customers and getting repeat customers.
Yeah.
So I thought we'd talk about today, customers, where are they, so that we can make them sticky. And, we've got a tutorial that speaks to that this week.
Yeah.
But
we've got a tutorial. What day is that?
That's on Thursday, 24th at 1 p.m. Queensland time. So
yeah, all about lead generation. So we're going to talk a little bit around that today. But if you need to know more about lead generation, then come and join us on Thursday.
Join us on Thursday. Free tutorial. Why wouldn't you, right? And you'll get the recording as well as an awesome checklist to really just to check in on your business as to where it sits with lead generation. So customers, where are they? Where are they gone?
Yeah, well, I think it's always important to be able to get more customers coming into the top of the funnel. Like we've put lots of content out there and continue to do around refining your sales process. Once you've got those people in the funnel and their customer journey, but how do you go and get them and put them in the top? How do you pour all these new customers in the top there? And that's something that a lot of people really struggle with. They struggle to pinpoint where their potential clients are, or even who those potential clients are.
Yeah, and I was going to say, the first thing that you need to do is really identify who are your customers. Have you actually done the research to find out, who are they? Are they guys, girls, what age group, what demographic?
Yeah.
What do they do for a job? What are their pain points? What are you trying to solve for them? Really need to do the homework, and don't fall for the trap that it's just one. It's ladies who are age 45, whatever. Yeah. There's always much more detail, and because you really want to, if you can't speak and understand clearly who your customers are, how can you grab their attention through your marketing efforts, right?
Yeah, that's right. So you need to define who they are, and then by that, and there could be several groups of who they are, whereabouts do they hang out? Where is their attention? And whether that's males 25 to 45, they could be spending a lot of time on YouTube over the weekends. Kids 12 to 18-year-olds could be on TikTok primarily. And so where is your revenue coming from, or where is it likely to come from? Find out who those people are, and look at the connect to the social media platforms, and then start to design those posts to grab their attention, which is appropriate for those individual platforms. That's a really important part, right? It
is. And one of the things that we often speak about in our tutorials and have done over a long period of time is, your customer doesn't really care if you don't like Facebook, if you don't like Instagram or TikTok or any of those. If you, through your research, find out that they are hanging out on those, could be LinkedIn, YouTube, Google, wherever, you need to go and hang out there yourself. So you need to create the pages and all those sort of things. And as you say, then start creating the content that speaks to them. And there's a very good possibility that your customers are on Facebook for one reason, on Insta for another reason, for TikTok for another reason. So you've really got to, this is where you got to really narrow in why and what are they searching for on Facebook. Well, then you've got some content to write to that, which may be different to why they're hanging out on Instagram, for example.
And so the next really important point is the type of information that you're going to do to grab their attention, and we'll talk to you more about that on Thursday. So if you come and join us on the free tutorial, just jump on www.navigatebiz.com. That's NAVIGATBIZ.com, and go and register for that free tutorial, 20 or 30 minutes, and we'll take you through how to create that content that will grab that attention. So we're talking about lead generation. Who are the customers that should be spending in your business that perhaps aren't now? They probably don't even know who you are.
Yeah.
So let's design who they are. Let's find out where they spend their time, and then come and join us on Thursday, and we'll show you how to then create the content that's going to grab their attention and get them to be part of your tribe and be spending money in your business.
And it's not just spending money once. We want them to come back and spend money again.
Repetitive.
And again and again. And then screaming from the hilltops, what an awesome company you are. So you want advocates, right? Raving fans indeed. So come and join us on that free tutorial. So navigatebiz.com. /free tutorials, and you'll find everything that's available. And this Thursday, super excited. We've got a whole bunch of people coming. The more the merrier. You can hear about all the tips that we've got, and then you'll get the recording as well as an awesome checklist to really do a Q&A on your own business as to where you sit with lead generation for your business.
Yeah, so come and join us on Thursday. And other than that, have a great day, and we'll probably catch you on Clubhouse this afternoon.
Indeed.
Okay.
See you soon.
Bye.
Ta-da.